Hey everyone, want to reset FileZilla back to its default settings? In this video, I'll show you how to reset FileZilla step by step. Yeah, resetting FileZilla can help fix configuration problems, connection issues, or unwanted changes by restoring the program to a fresh setup. First, close FileZilla completely if it's currently open. Make sure the application is not running in the background before resetting any settings. Next, open the FileZilla settings location on your computer. FileZilla stores preferences, saved connections, interface settings, and other configuration files in your user profile folder. Before removing any settings, create a backup of your FileZilla configuration files. This allows you to restore your saved FTP or SFTP connections later if needed. Now locate the FileZilla configuration folder and rename it or move it to another location. This removes the current settings without permanently deleting your saved data. After changing the configuration folder name, open FileZilla again. The program will automatically create a new configuration with the default settings. Check the FileZilla interface and connection options to confirm that the reset was successful. Resetting often fixes problems caused by incorrect preferences or corrupted configuration files. If you want to restore your previous settings, simply return your backup configuration files to their original location. For a complete reset, you can also uninstall FileZilla and reinstall the latest version. So, a fresh installation can remove deeper configuration issues when normal resetting does not work. Remember that resetting FileZilla may remove saved passwords, site profiles, custom settings, and interface preferences, so keep a backup if you need them later. And that's how you reset FileZilla. By restoring the default configuration, you can troubleshoot problems and start using FileZilla with a clean setup. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.